India's first Vande Bharat sleeper train, a new era of overnight rail travel. Overnight train travel in India is about to experience a transformation with the introduction of the country's first Vande Bharat sleeper train. Recently unveiled by Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav and Minister of State for Railways V. Somana at BEML's facility in Bangalore, this innovative train is set to redefine the comfort and convenience of long-distance rail journeys for millions of passengers. Designed with the needs of the middle class in mind, the Vande Bharat sleeper train promises a blend of affordability and luxury. According to Railway Minister Vaishnav, the ticket pricing will be benchmarked to the fares of the existing Rajdhani Express trains, ensuring that the service remains accessible while offering an elevated travel experience. With operations expected to commence within 3 months after successful trial runs, the train is ideal for overnight journeys covering distances of 800 to 1,200 kilometers. So, what makes the Vande Bharat sleeper train truly stand out? For starters, it features state-of-the-art amenities akin to those found on airplanes. Each sleeper berth is equipped with reading lights, charging sockets, mobile and magazine holders, and snack tables. For first AC passengers, there's even a hot water shower available, enhancing the comfort and luxury of the journey. The train also includes separate berths for train attendants, providing them with much-needed rest during long journeys, and the loco pilot's cabin is air-conditioned, complete with a dedicated toilet facility. Safety and passenger comfort are at the core of the Vande Bharat sleeper train's design. The train is built using austenitic stainless steel construction, incorporating advanced crashworthy elements like specially designed crash buffers and couplers to ensure maximum safety. The materials used in the train comply with the highest fire safety standards, meeting stringent international requirements. Additionally, the train features virus control mechanisms, reduced jerks, noise, and vibrations, all aimed at offering a smooth and comfortable ride. The 16-coach train set, manufactured by BEML Limited, will include a total of 823 berths, comprising 11 3-AC coaches, 4 2-AC coaches, and 1 1-AC coach. The sleeper train will have a maximum operational speed of 160 km per hour, with a top speed of 180 km per hour during testing. BEML will soon deliver the first train to the Integral Coach factory in Chennai for final testing and commissioning, followed by rigorous mainline tests. But the innovations don't stop there. The Vande Bharat sleeper train also offers unique features such as LED lights below the ladders for nighttime visibility, modern pantry car amenities including ovens, bottle coolers, and compact dustbins, and special berths and toilets designed for differently abled passengers. As Minister Vaishnav noted, the Vande Bharat sleeper train marks a significant leap forward in India's rail capabilities, bringing a passenger experience on par with European standards. With its world-class facilities, enhanced safety features, and a focus on passenger comfort, the train is expected to revolutionize long-distance rail travel in India. Stay tuned as this new chapter unfolds in Indian Railways, setting new benchmarks for speed, comfort, and efficiency.